Hi children, I hope you all are studying well, preparing for the examination. This is the biology class 10th. I am teaching you the lesson 1, that is nutrition in plants. Already we have completed the activities. Now I am going to teach you about the photosynthesis. The how photosynthesis events takes place in the chloroplast. You can see what are the things are going on in the diagram. You can see the light energy and the what are the carbon dioxide. Here the chloroplast play a vital role in the photosynthesis. Chloroplast take part in the photosynthesis. What are the events then? Here you see photosynthesis, several events occur. The first one is conversion of light energy into chemical energy. What is going to be happen? Splitting of water molecule, the nothing but photolysis. The water is split into the two molecule in the presence of light. That is nothing but photolysis. Third event is reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Here the carbon dioxide is reduced. Now you can see these events occur in two ways. First one is light dependent reaction. The reaction that takes place in the presence of light is called light dependent reaction. This reaction takes place in the thalakite, that is nothing but grana of the chloroplast. Light independent reaction, the reaction which is not depend on the light, is called light independent reaction. This takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. Already we discussed this one, right? This is the, you can see in the diagram what are the process. Step 1, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, right? Whatever the two reaction we discuss, light dependent reaction and the light independent reaction. Now in the first stage what will happen? Whenever the light is absorbed by the chlorophyll get excited and it utilized light, that is the photon. You can see here sunlight, one of the photon is taken by the chlorophyll. Then what will happen whenever the chlorophyll get excited? What it will do? The water molecule, whatever is there, it is split. Then the space 2, what will happen? The water molecule is split into the two components. One is hydrogen ion, another one is hydroxyl ion. Here the two components are formed. This process is called photolysis. As this reaction takes place, splitting of water molecule takes place in the presence of light, it is called photolysis. Photo means light, lysis means breaking. Breaking the molecule in the presence of light is called photolysis. This reaction was discovered by the Robert Hill, and this reaction is also called Robert Hill reaction. Robert Hill was found the photolysis, splitting of the water molecule. Here, as in the photolysis, hydroxyl ion and the hydrogen ion is formed. What happens as the hydroxyl ion undergoes a series of reaction and will form water and oxygen. The water is utilized by the plant, and whereas the oxygen is released in the atmosphere as a byproduct of the photosynthesis. You can see in the diagram the photos are light splitting. Light energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll, then the water has been splitted into the hydrogen and oxygen. Here move to the next stage. Hydrogen is used to in the another stage. In the dark reaction it undergoes several processes, whereas oxygen is released as a waste byproduct. Whereas hydrogen undergo a series of reaction in the dark reaction. Here hydrogen which is formed, hydrogen ion which is formed in the photolysis is immediately picked up by the NADP and form the NADPH, and also ATP is formed as ADP combined with the phosphorus and form adenosine triphosphates. This NADP and the ATP together are called assimilatory power. Assimilatory power. This is, you see, light independent reaction. What is light independent reaction? It doesn't mean that it occurs in the dark. Here, in the light independent reaction, reduction of carbon dioxide takes place. It is reduced to carbohydrate. You can see in the diagram that CO2. Here, CO2 is combined with the NADPH in the presence of ATP and forms the sugar. Here, CO2 is reduced. Whenever the CO2 combine with the NADPH, it forms a light independent reaction in the Kelvin cycle. Here the glucose is formed. Once you see in the diagram here the CO2 molecule, here carbon fixation takes place. In the CO2 combine with the NADPH in the presence of ATP, the energy is utilized and in the Kelvin cycle, a compound called ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate accept CO2 and finally convert it into the sugar, and it is stored in the form of the starch. Now let us revise the events which we have discussed already. Photosynthesis, several events occur. What is the first event? Conversion of light energy into the chemical energy. Here light energy is converted into chemical energy. Second one, splitting of water molecule, nothing but photolysis or Robert Hill reaction. The reaction in which water molecule is split into. Third one, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Here the carbon dioxide is reduced. Whenever the carbon dioxide combined with the NADPH in the presence of ATP, it convert into the glucose in the Kelvin cycle. Now see light reaction. What is the light? Whenever the light is absorbed by the chlorophyll, it get activated and use that light for the splitting of the water molecule into the H plus and OH minus ion. Here you see carbon dioxide, light independent reaction. The glucose is CO2 is reduced into the glucose with the help of the assimilatory product. Thank you.